MINISFORUM UM870 Slim Mini-PC Review. 8-core Ryzen power that replaced my desktop tower.
Last month, my desktop tower crashed mid-presentation, fans screaming like a jet engine while clients waited on a video call. I watched the spinning wheel of death and felt my credibility evaporating in real time. The machine was bulky, loud, and clearly dying. That moment hit differently. It was embarrassing and completely avoidable. Ever had your setup fail you at the worst possible time? Here's what living with an unreliable, oversized desktop actually cost you beyond that one bad moment. You're constantly hearing that distracting fan whine during calls. Your desk feels cramped and cluttered. A colleague told me she unplugged her tower entirely because the heat made her office unbearable during summer. Stress compounds silently. But there's a quieter, more powerful path forward waiting.
Then I discovered the MINISFORUM UM870 Slim Mini-PC, and everything clicked into place instantly. Don't just pick any compact computer. Make sure it has a Ryzen 7 8745H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, so you never experience laggy multitasking, thermal throttling, or embarrassing mid-presentation crashes again. This palm-sized machine delivers 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM for buttery smooth workflow, a 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD for instant boot times, Wi-Fi 6E for rock-solid wireless connectivity, and HDMI 2.1 supporting stunning 8K output at 60 Hz. Picture this. A software developer juggling Docker containers, VS Code, and 30 browser tabs simultaneously. The UM870 Slim handles it without breaking a sweat. Or imagine connecting dual 4K monitors through a single USB 4 cable, transforming a cluttered desk into a clean, professional workspace. The integrated Radeon 780M graphics manages everything from video editing to casual gaming smoothly. Auto power on means the system recovers automatically after outages, perfect for always-on setups. And here's what surprised me most. The cooling system keeps everything whisper quiet even under sustained load. More on real-world performance next. 3 months in, this machine has genuinely transformed my daily workflow. Boot times stay under 8 seconds consistently. Multitasking feels effortless. That cramped, cable-cluttered desk became a clean, focused workspace overnight. A tech hardware reviewer noted, the Ryzen 7 8745H delivers remarkable performance for a system this small. Thermals were well managed, and fan noise remained reasonable even under sustained loads. A remote worker shared, it boots to desktop in about 8 seconds, which still amazes me every time. Best tech purchase I've made in years. An industry analyst observed that the UM870 Slim delivers performance that would have required a mid-tower desktop just a few years ago, earning recommendation for both consumer and commercial buyers. One software developer said, coming from a 2021 Intel NUC, the performance leap is massive. I can run multiple Docker containers, local databases, and VS Code extensions without the system breaking a sweat. And here's the reality. Demand for these compact powerhouses keeps climbing as professionals discover what 8 cores in a palm-sized build actually delivers. The most common concern is whether a mini-PC can truly replace a full desktop. It absolutely can. The USB 4 connectivity, 32 gigabytes of DDR5, and silent operation prove it daily. Which benefit matters most to you? The compact size, the processing power, or the quiet operation?
Look. Bulky towers and noisy fans don't have to dominate your workspace anymore. Thousands of developers, creators, and remote professionals have already switched to the MINISFORUM UM870 Slim Mini-PC and reclaimed their desks while gaining serious processing power. The combination of Ryzen 7 performance, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and 8K ready output makes this a smart investment in productivity and peace. Results may vary based on workload. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Click and experience the difference today. Your workspace deserves this upgrade.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.